Didn't expect to be doing this now. Do we let the viewers decide? I am Ben, this is Bike from the Brink. Oh my god, haven't things took an unexpected turn. I thought by now this would be test ride video, ready to give it away, and that's not happening. So I've got a fuel leak. There's a hole in the tank. So let's take it off and see what we think of it. Right, for his next challenge, to get this off here. It doesn't help that I'm working in this corner with my back against the wall. Oh, flipping heck, no swearing here. Yep, it's resting on my foot right now, so. Yeah, all the f**k-ups go in the video. First job, let's see if it's dry, or rather make sure it's dry before we try and pour some petrol out, because I did give this a bit of a seal underneath with some oily stuff just so it doesn't rust anymore. But as we can see there, it looks bad. Right, I'm going to press on it and see if it's weak here. No, so it's not weak, it's still quite strong. So we might get away with repairing it, because I was wondering if we might have to put a whole patch in there. But it does look like there's at least two that it might be leaking from. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay down some fresh big blue roll like this and then tip it up. Chair. Tip it up and see what happens. Oh yeah. Or at least three. So there, 1, 2, 3. Now, did anything leak inside? Oh, I think it might be leaking inside as well. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, it's leaking there. That one. And is that one, or is that splashed? No, I think it's leaking there as well, whatever that is. And again, feels structurally good, but you can see a dot when I rub it. So we've got 5 leaks. Yay! Because I didn't want to do one leak, I wanted to do loads. Cloaking bell. So when I was looking before, we had a leak definitely from there and definitely from there. But also, when I've looked closely at this one, this looks like it might leak as well. So I'm just going to try a different technique and we'll see if this works. What I'm going to try is I'm going to just flux it and solder it straight in that hole and see if it wicks in there, because they are tiny pinpricks. If it doesn't, I've seen people sanding these and making a right mess of all of your tank, which doesn't matter so much on here, but the big leak is on the outside where it'll be seen. So if this doesn't work out as I think, I'm going to put a drill bit in that hole and just drill maybe 0.5 millimeter in, which will create a natural dip for the solder to wick into. So let's see how that works out. So first job, we'll just put some flux on it. Now what I did learn from the guy that did it is, like me, he had his tank sloping, and you don't want that, because the solder, and it's called solder and not that Americanism that they use, and it's going to go downhill. So I need to prop this tank up like this. So I've got my tank how I want it, and that's roughly level. So soldering iron on. I've set this to 350 degrees. I'm going to try this one first and hopefully don't put my hand in front of the camera. So that tells me we're at 350. And I know I'm touching the solder on the iron, and I shouldn't be, but I think the chances of me warming this tank up hot enough are slim to none. So I'm going to give that 5 minutes to cool and we'll reassess. So I've just knocked one of them off with my air gun trying to cool it. So I'm assuming that they are rubbish. That's not going to work. So I'm going to clean the area up with a drill bit. And the drill bit theory is it creates a little recess, a little pool, and we'll see how it goes. And I don't want to go all the way through. However, it might not be a choice. Let's see what happens. Doesn't help that I'm at 30 degrees straight to it. Oh no, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. Right. I can't get the angle, so we'll have to Dremel it and create a little dint. Plan C. Okay, I can see I've created a little recess there. I could feel the Dremel trying to sit in the recess. So I'll get a little bit of what we're going to have, degreaser, carb cleaner, that'll do it. A little bit of carb cleaner on that. And give it a bit of clean cloth. Hopefully clean. I'm just going to blow it. Now I can see from here, probably can't see it on camera, but it has made a little recess there. So we'll flux it, get my iron into my little recess and feel for it. Oh, it's there, there's definitely a hole there. Well, the question is it going to sit in the hole like I wanted it to? Oh, that looks better than before. So while you watch this enthralling piece of shocking soldering, I'll just remind you there are Bike from the Brink t-shirts for sale. My kids designed them, and I'll post up a link so you can click and get a t-shirt and support the channel. Remember to click like and subscribe. You don't know how dumb the YouTube algorithm is. It really does help. It's that simple to help the channel. The more you like and subscribe, the more it shows it to everybody, the more I can do these bike giveaways. And if anybody wants to send me a brazing torch type thing, feel free, because this is the best soldering iron I've got. So the heat's wicking away in the tank there, and I can't reheat the solder in the gap, so I'm going to crank her up to 400 degrees, 410 Celsius that is, and see what happens. Oh yeah, there we're melting. Just trying to massage some into that hole. How does that look? That looks like it might have gone in. So cool it off. Let's see. Yeah, that seems to be stuck. That's good. So we can run a little bit of sandpaper over that after and clean it up. So that one and that one look like they need the same treatment. So I'll Dremel those, blast them off with carb cleaner and air, and we'll see how we go. That one looks like it's going to come off like that, and that one doesn't. No, they look alright. I can't remember if it was that or that I should have done, so I'm just going to redo it. The big question is, does it leak? We're not going to find out till we've done the outside as well. Let's do the outside then. Well, how does that look? We need to fill it with petrol. Let's fill it with petrol. So there's a little bit of petrol in my tank, and the ones I've repaired are not leaking, but that one is. I'm too close to camera here. That one's leaking, and that one's leaking. So there's two others. But these aren't leaking. So let's do the two others. If I stand it on end this way, right, and then look at this side.
We have no leak.
Is that a leak?
Where?
There.
You see it?
I don't know. I'm seeing if the patch is growing. I don't think that patch is growing. I think that's just me from before.
But there's no harm fixing it.
it's not leaking. Okay, I think
Have we got higher than that bit?
we're patched. Well, I don't think we got any leaks higher than that, but
No, the liquid, has it got high?
Well,
The petrol.
there's-
Try shake it about.
there's enough in there that's under headbutt camera.
I think we're okay, aren't we?
I think we're okay.
What's that?
Although, oh, look what I've spotted.
Is that it?
Oh, I don't know. Do I need to? Can you film it from underneath?
I don't know.
Oh yeah,
Is it?
yeah,
It is.
yeah.
Right.
So you see there, we've got a dribble, but also I'm looking at that now, and that doesn't look good, and that doesn't look good.
Oh, I didn't.
See that bit there?
Yeah.
That bit there?
So is that all these as well? Then these little.
Yeah, possibly.
Just do it all. I would
Oh
say.
my god, there's so many. Yeah, something's definitely leaked there.
Definitely, yeah.
That looks.
How does it
Oh
feel?
look, if I rub it, paint comes off.
Is it bad? Do we need to do the whole lot? Huh? Stop, stop, stop.
I'm jiggling it around.
Is that wet? Is that wet?
There's just so many dots in there.
Yeah.
I think I need to buy a tank.
Oh dear.
It's just so many.
So what's
What do you
your
think?
verdict?
Well, do we let the viewers decide? Let's do that. Let's finish the video there, and we'll say important things like buy a t-shirt, click the link, be in a corner somewhere, drop a comment. Do I keep going until I've soldered every leak? Because I think there might be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, possibly 10 just looking there, so possibly more than that. So drop a comment below. Is it a liability, given that I'm doing a giveaway? Shall I just bite the bullet and buy a tank? Or do I keep soldering it and repair it? In the comments, tell me what you think. Keyword, tank. I don't know. Noisy but no, tank. Tank's a keyword. 13th keyword. Didn't expect to be doing this now. Thanks for watching. Sad face.